Boss. Stitching, boss. Open when I wash, open. Stitch all?
Yeah, all like my stitches.
Huh?
Okay, all my stitches.
Oh, just stitching until here?
Yeah.
When?
You come after 1 hour?
1 hour?
Yeah.
So what time you close here?
10 o'clock.
Okay. I'll come back.
Oh.
How much?
2 minutes.
Not 1.5?
Making nice this one. Not looking.
Nice, nice. Original?
Special.
Special?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Okay, boss.
I will rugby after the stitches.
Okay.
The next day.
Atong kuhaon itong gipatahi nga sapatos gahapon ra to. So atong balikon. Boss,
Yes.
my shoes
Yesterday not coming?
yesterday not come. Late come.
Two pair, no?
Only one.
One pair.
Oh, that one. Oh, original.
Yeah. All stitching inside, okay? Not see. All coming inside stitching.
Oh,
Okay.
very good, huh?
Yeah.
Oh.
After this one not open also.
So put rugby.
Yeah, I put rugby and stitching. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you, boss. No, not open.
Yeah, now okay this one.
After 10 years, not open.
Yeah, no problem.
Okay, boss. Thank you. Ato ang nakuha. Maayos sa pagkatahi.